watching this because you've just received the new version of Autochartist. My name is Wedges. I'm the COO at Autochartist, and we're very proud to show you the new enhancements that we've brought in the new platform. The purpose of this video is to show you what has changed and how you can continue using Autochartist as you have before. So let's have a look. The first and most important change you'll notice is that in the previous version we had two adjacent columns for completed and emerging patterns, or breakouts and approaches. In this version we have a single consolidated view. In here we include chart patterns, Fibonacci patterns and key levels, and we also show all completed and emerging patterns, all breakouts and approaches. This has now enabled us to resize the application to a more suitable aspect ratio for applications or devices like iPads and notebooks with smaller screens. Now you're probably asking yourself, how are you going to sift through the chaos of all of these trade opportunities coming through on one single list? Well, for that we've included a very handy little results filter. These checkboxes you can use to select only the types of patterns that you're interested in. Let's say, for example, you only want to look at completed chart patterns and key level breakouts. Then you simply uncheck everything that you're not interested in, and the list will be updated in real time. Now the reason why we've brought about this change is that a lot of our traders we have found are equally interested in completed and emerging patterns as trade opportunities. Another important enhancement we've made was the way in which patterns are displayed or listed. Previously, patterns were listed chronologically as they were detected. So longer term patterns were moved down the list as new short-term patterns like 15-30 minute patterns came streaming through during the day. This meant that if you had, for example, an end of day pattern that was detected 3 days ago and might still be very relevant, it would have shifted down, scrolled down right to the bottom of the list. In this case, with what we've done with the new application, was to list them by age in terms of bars or candles. Now, of course, an end of day pattern will take much longer to age one candle than would a 1 hour or 30 minute pattern or a 15 minute pattern. So what you'll find is that longer term patterns stay relevant. They move down this new list much slower than of course short term patterns. On top of that, what we've done was to filter out patterns that are no longer tradable. So in this tab called Active Trading Opportunities, you will only find patterns that are still tradable, still relevant. This means the pattern hasn't reached its target yet, and it means the price hasn't gone against the expected direction. Once the pattern has reached its target region, we call it an expired trading opportunity, and it moves to this tab over here. Please do remember, however, that at Autochartist we advise our clients not to just blindly follow these trading opportunities. Use your own judgment, use additional research, other indicators, listen to the news, and form a balanced opinion before you trade. We've tried our best with these new changes not to make it more difficult for you to use the application. To that end, we've included these tabs at the top: chart patterns, Fibonacci and key levels, as they were in the previous version. So if you're uncomfortable with the consolidated view, you can just click on these tabs as you used to. Unfortunately, if you want to toggle between completed and emerging pattern, if you're not interested in both, you still have to use these new little checkboxes. Other than that, we hope you'll be comfortable with the new changes and that they will enhance your experience, saving you more time and bringing you more success in your trading. All the best.